Want to upload full 3-minute reels on Instagram without any annoying splits? Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just love sharing your life with friends, this feature is a total game changer. Longer reels let you tell deeper stories, share more details, and boost engagement like never before. And guess what? If you don't have the 3-minute option yet, I've got a super simple fix for you near the end, so stick around. First things first, head over to the App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users and make sure your Share Instagram app is fully updated. Instagram rolls out new features with updates, so this step is crucial. Now, open the Instagram app and swipe to the Reels camera. At the bottom of the screen, tap the length option. You'll see a small arrow icon. If your app is updated, you should now see several choices: 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and boom,
How to get
180
WhatsApp
seconds, 3 minutes. Still don't see that 3-minute option? No stress. Here's a workaround. Record your
How to
video
get
using
WhatsApp
your phone's regular camera app, either iPhone or Android, and then upload it to Instagram Reels from your gallery. Instagram now supports direct uploads up to 3 minutes without splitting. And if that still doesn't work, your app might be glitching out. Let's fix it. On Android, go to your device settings, tap on Apps, find Instagram, clear cache, then uninstall and reinstall the app. This will clean out bugs and refresh everything. On iPhone, head to Settings, tap General, iPhone Storage, find Instagram, tap Offload App. This won't delete your data. Then tap Reinstall App. This clears junk data and forces a clean refresh of Instagram. Once you've done that, reopen the app and check the Reels camera again. If the 3-minute option still isn't there, don't worry. It probably means Instagram hasn't rolled it out in your region yet. These updates are released gradually. Pro tip, keep your app updated regularly. That way, you'll be among the first to get any new features when they drop. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, make sure to check out the next video for more easy tutorials and tips.